Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool to fix your Windows memory related issue. First we will see how to open Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool and how to view result of Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic and this will appear here, and click on open and your Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool will now open. Check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Two options available: restart now and check for problems, recommended, and the second one is check for problems the next time I start my computer. So we will go through first option. Save all your works before selecting first option. So choose restart now and your computer will now open in this blue background and it will take some times. Repairing your system, two tasks available here. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some times. Wait, and once completion of this tool, your computer will automatically restart. Updates are underway. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once verification completed, your system will now restart. Now we will see how to view Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool's result. Your Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool will successfully run, and now we will see how to view its result. Go to Windows search and type Event Viewer and open Event Viewer. In this window, all your system events will show. Custom view, Windows logs, subscription, application and services log. All the system event logs will available here. We will find Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool result. So simply go to right side of this page. Go to system from the left side, thereafter go to right side and here click on find and here type the command as shown on screen, memory diagnostic result. Memory diagnostic dash results. Type this command in this format and choose find. Find next, click on it and you will find Windows Memory Diagnostic Result, Event 1101, Windows Memory Diagnostic Result. All the Windows Memory Diagnostic Result will here, Event ID, User, Task Category, Keyboard, Computer. All the Windows Memory Diagnostic tested the computers and nothing found. So test type, how many tests conducted, and other result will also available here. You can easily see here all the system related information you will find here one by one. Details or general other view also available. That's all.